Sir, kay General Anya naman, sir. Pagka kasi tiningnan natin yung mga numero, no, almost 60 na sundalong namatay, more than 250 na sugatan in just 20 days. It sounds very overwhelming. Pero from your perspective po ba, sa ganitong klaseng digmaan, yung ganyang number ba ng casualties ay normal ba yan or can be expected, or is this really a higher number than even you guys are anticipating?
Well, that is an acceptable statistics. This is like a hybrid war, a combination of conventional and unconventional. Like what happened with the Marines, they're engaged in a close quarter fighting, almost hand-to-hand combat fighting, and yet the enemy still do not play by the rules. They burn houses that actually complicated the situation. So, in as much that we would want to clear those areas immediately, our troops are really very, very aggressive. And in so doing, nakakaroon tayo ng casualties, particularly from sniper fires. But considering the plan of the enemy to really, capture Marawi, set ablaze, and would want to prevent that with all our forces, acceptable pa rin yung ganong statistics. But of course, we don't want to lose men in fighting. In fact, we condole with the bereaved families of our soldiers who paid the ultimate sacrifices. And we are providing all the necessary support to General Galvez and General Bautista so that our troops will not die unnecessarily. So, sabi ko nga, kailangan dito ng deliberate planning. And considering also the gains and successes we have had for the last 16 days or 17 days, we are really gaining and winning in this endeavor. So, konting pasensya na lang to.